Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be showing us how to make strawberry yogurt recipe. So this is our milk. I left this overnight, but you can check on the link in the description box on how to achieve this from scratch using powdered milk or liquid milk. But today we will be focusing on strawberry recipe. So I'll be separating the milk from the water, and I'll be putting it in a separate bowl. So I'll be putting it in a separate bowl. I don't want my yogurt to be too watery, so that's why I'm separating it. So obviously I can't separate everything using this cup. I'll just have to sieve it, so I'll have to sieve the rest. So this is it. I just have to sieve the rest. So after pouring it in a sieve, I left it for about 20 minutes for the water to separate from the milk. So I'll just scoop the rest of the milk into the bowl. I'll scoop it. So as we know, you don't throw away this water. It's still useful. You can use it for smoothie. You will enjoy it. Just try it. Give it a try. So here is our yogurt. It has been separated from the water. So I'll just give it a nice mix. If you have a hand mixer, you can use a hand mixer to give it a perfect mix. So I'll just use my spoon to just mix it so that there will not be lumps in it. So after mixing it, this is what we have. So we'll be using the strawberry flavor for our recipe today. This is what we'll be using, and we will be using this food color, baby pink, to give us our desired color. As we all know, strawberry yogurts are pink in color, so this food color will help us achieve that, and it is healthy. It's not harmful for the body. So just mix thoroughly to give you a desired color. So I'm okay with this color, so I'll just go ahead to put the strawberry flavor in the yogurt to have that strawberry like taste. Don't add too much. This is okay. So I'll just mix thoroughly, mix so that everything will blend together. So I'm okay with this. This is okay and yummy enough. This is yummy enough. So I added sugar for taste. You can add any other sweetener you want, but I added sugar to mine for taste. So I'll just serve it in my glass cup and enjoy my yummy yogurt. I hope you try this recipe. You can drop comments in the comment section. Try this and you won't buy yogurt again. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. See you in my next video.